Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing traditional pumpkin sambar recipe without adding any store-bought masala. The freshly ground sambar powder which I am using in this recipe gives an extra added fragrance and aroma. The extra effort is worth it. So before that, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are notified on my new post. If you like my recipes, please share with your family and friends and don't forget to give a big thumbs up. So let's quickly get into the recipe. To make this traditional sambar, I am soaking in a piece of tamarind for about 5 to 10 minutes or until I get other ingredients ready. Here I have this white pumpkin. I have washed it under running water thoroughly and I am just cutting it at the center. And I'm just going to take out the seeds from the pumpkin. And then I'm just peeling the skin of the pumpkin. You can also chop it with skin as skin becomes soft after cooking. Once you take out the skin, cut them into big size cubes. Meanwhile, cook half cup of tur dal by adding turmeric powder and adding cooking oil. I did not take video of this as I already had some cooked dal. Next, I am grating in half cup of fresh coconut using my coconut grater. I have already shared a video on this coconut grater. The link will be shared down below the description box. Please do check it out. Into a kadai or pan, transfer in the chopped pumpkin cubes. Next, add in enough water into the pumpkin so that they immerse well into water. Into the same, add in half a spoon of turmeric powder. Next, I am adding in tamarind juice. Next, I am adding in a piece of jaggery. This is an organic jaggery which is free from dust and dirt particles. Next, add in half a spoon of salt. Mix everything well and bring it to a boil or until the pumpkin gets cooked. Meanwhile, let's make masala for the sambar. Into a kadai, add in a spoon of oil. Once the oil is heated up, add in half a spoon of methi seeds, which is also known as fenugreek seeds. Into the same, I am adding in 2 spoons of coriander seeds. Into which I am adding in a spoon of urad dal. Next, I am adding in half a spoon of chana dal. Next, I am adding in a spoon of cumin seeds, which is also known as jeera. Next, I am adding in few peppercorns. Mix everything well or saute for about a minute. Once they turn golden brown, add in few whole red chilies. You can adjust the chilies as per your taste. Next, I am adding in handful of curry leaves. Curry leaves are a rich source of iron and folate, so try to include them in your diet. Once all the ingredients turn golden brown, turn off the flame and allow it to cool down. Once the masala is ready, into my chutney jar I am adding in the freshly grated coconut. Into the same I am adding in the fried masala. Add in some water and grind it to a fine paste. By now the pumpkins will have cooked well. As you can see that the pumpkins have cooked well and they have become very soft enough. Now into this pumpkin I am adding in the ground paste. Mix everything well. Give it a stir. I am rinsing out my chutney jar and adding in some more water into the pumpkin. Mix everything well and bring it to a nice boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce flame to the lowest. Add in half cup cooked tur dal. Mix everything well. Give it a stir and allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it comes to a boil. Once it boils, reduce the flame to the lowest and I'm just chopping in a handful of fresh coriander leaves and allow it to simmer for about 1 or 2 minutes. After about 1 or 2 minutes, turn off the flame and cover it with a lid and let it set for about 5 to 10 minutes. Lastly, I am going to prepare tadka for the sambar. Into a kadai or pan, add in 2 tablespoons of desi ghee. Once the ghee is heated up, add in half a spoon of mustard seeds. Once they splutter, add in cumin seeds. Add in turmeric powder. Sprinkle in hing. Add in about 2 red whole chilies. Lastly, I am adding in few fresh curry leaves. Once the tadka is ready, pour it over the sambar. You can enjoy this traditional pumpkin sambar with hot steaming rice. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.